And here we go. The first cut. First cut's about to happen.
Go in the anal fin right here.
In the anal fin? Ew.
See that little hole right here?
Yeah. Is that his
Right
hiney?
That's where you want to stick the knife.
They were alive. Didn't you cut the head off first?
No.
Dean, you really should be watching this. This is pretty extraordinary.
I'm watching it.
Oh, you are? Okay. Don't you have to cut his head off?
No, Mom.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, several steps ahead there, Mom.
Heather takes the head off first.
Mom!
God, I can't see very well.
And there it is.
That's lovely. That's enough. I've seen enough. Good eating. Or a sawzall.
Sucks. These knives suck.
Now, didn't one of them swallow the hook? So, isn't he going to have a hook in his belly? Did you hear what I said? So you need to be careful with you're sticking your finger in there?
Well, I told you one doctor. I was thinking that. I'm like, that's the only way it works. I don't care anything. I take anything else.
I know, I've heard so many old people say that to me. And aspirin's it. Do I have to film every fish that you're going to do this to? Because I'm telling you.
Yes.
I'm struggling with the first one. Did you hear what I said about the hook?